Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain about 200 EMA and RSI analysis of IDFC First Bank for a long-term stock selection. So most of the people are aware in my channel, this is the third episode I am giving for a long-term stock suggestion. So in the episode 1 I have given about HDFC Bank and the episode 2 I have given about HDFC Life. So both were achieved target within a month. So this is the third stock I am going to pick for a long-term session. So I am going to explain all those things through this video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel also, Lipin EJ, you can see here. And you can see a lot of videos related to market, like basics of market. And as I told you, like in the episode 1 and 2, you can see here like HDFC Life and HDFC Bank. So both were achieved target. And you can see like what is the return you got from this. And the same way, those who want to learn more about 200 EMA and RSI, I have given a complete tutorial. You can see the complete tutorial here. So like those who want to analyze the stock based on 200 EMA and RSI, and you can also start trading by your own. So the complete tutorial I have given here. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about 200 EMA and RSI, all those things. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about IDFC First Bank for a long-term stock selection. So first thing I will tell you like why I have selected this stock for a long-term selection. First thing, let me open my chart. So we have to add the IDFC First Bank to watch list. Then we have to go to chart. So this is our chart, okay. So based on the chart, I will explain you why we are selecting this stock for a long time. Okay, now we can see the chart of IDFC First Bank. So in the chart, you can see like the green line is 200 EMA and the white line down, you can see this is the RSI. So if you are not aware about how to set 200 EMA and RSI, you can visit my tutorial video. So there will be getting a better idea about how to give the complete setup. So I have given complete tutorial on 200 EMA. And now you can see the stock is approaching nearby 200 EMA. Here you can see the stock is approaching nearby 200 EMA. It is like around 31 point something. It is going to cross the 200 EMA. So it means the stock is in bullish. So where you can invest, like the next day, like the things are going to cross. So on those occasions, you can invest on IDFC First Bank and you can expect a good target. And if you see the overall support, like okay, the support region, the 52-week low also you can see like the month of April, the IDFC bank has fallen down to 17. And from there again it went up to 20 plus. And again in the month of June, again it was fallen down to 17. But you can see that areas IDFC Bank has taken a good support. And those support, like you can keep the stop loss below that, like around 15 you can keep for a stop loss. And you can wait for a target of that 60 plus. So that is my target I am giving for a long time period. Like maybe mostly for within 1 year you can expect like 60 plus this stock. So this is like one of the best stock where you can invest right now. And those who are planning to invest this stock, you can invest right now like 5%. So once it crosses via the 200 EMA, you can invest another 5 more times. So that is what I will give you proper suggestion, like once this is crossed. And this is like one of the best stock, like where right now, because like most of the companies are well established. Like if you go HDFC Bank or HDFC Life or Kotak Banks, all those banks are well established right now. So this is not that much well established company, but in future it can be well established. So that is why I am selecting this stock. And if you see like all together like the 200 EMA and RSI is like very good, and that is why I am selecting this stock for a long term suggestion. And like always you have to believe in chart. Like without chart, don't enter into a market. Like most of the people, they go behind news. Like like when there is a news, people suddenly go and invest on those companies. But like at the end of the time, they won't be getting much profit. So like for example, you can take an Alok Industries. So Alok Industries, you heard a news about that Reliance is going to invest on Alok Industries. So by that time, the news came, the Reliance Industries is already invested and they might have booked the profit. Where we are investing like at the top level. So while we are investing, the stock will be started coming down. So we won't be getting any profit. So I will show you the chart of Alok Industries also. So if you have observed about 200 EMA and RSI, I will show you the exact picture. Okay, let me open my Alok Industries chart here. So this is the situation. You can see like in the month of we can see here in the month of February it was closed 200 EMA, but nobody has noticed. And when Reliance was invested, that time only people are thinking about Alok Industries. And you can see the month of April also, it was above it was started with green signal. It means it is in the bullish. On that time only, like Reliance also went and invested. It means everybody is using graph rather than news. So always you have to follow proper graph like 200 EMA and RSI is like one of the best tool for a long term stock selection. And you can see like in the month of May onwards, the stock started in a bullish way and it went to 50 plus. So if you are not aware about 200 EMA and RSI, what happened? You will invest in between and you won't be getting much profit. So if you are aware about 200 EMA, you could have invested around 10 or below 10. It means the base price you could have invested and you could have exceeded like maybe around 40 or 50. And you could have got a maximum profit from that. So that is like the risk level will be very less if you are investing in a bottom level. And if you can make a maximum profit out of that. So don't go bigger in news. So always go bigger in the chart. So chart is the most important thing when you are going for any trading. Like if you are going for an intraday trading or if you are going for a delivery trade, the chart is the most important thing in a trading. So always follow the chart. And like as I said, like IDFC Bank is right now. Okay, let me come to IDFC Bank. So here you can see the IDFC Bank, the 52-week low is 17. It means the stock is only like 17.65 is a low. So it has taken a good support at, as I said, the stock has taken a good support at 17.65 or 17. So you can keep a stop loss of 15 and you can wait for a long time. So you'll be getting a better return on IDFC First Bank. So this is the reason I am suggesting this stock. And right now it is just crossing the 200 EMI. So once it is crossed, you can make sure that this stock will be going such a way up. So based on that, we can adjust the stop loss as well as. So right now we can maintain 15 stop loss with a target of 60. So if the stop loss is hit, you have to exit immediately. So that is the reason I am telling like don't invest the entire amount to this stock because this company is not that much developed. Okay, so this is only a developing company. So you can invest like 5% to 10% to this company. So this is like one of the best company for like a best bank which is developing currently. Okay, in the same way, I have started a Telegram and WhatsApp group to help the beginners. So daily basis, I will be updating like where we have to invest for a long term suggestion. So everything I will be providing on this WhatsApp group and Telegram group. So here you can see like Nifty support, where we have to invest, Nifty resistance, all those things I will be providing here. So this group is absolutely free. So you can join to this group. In the same way, you can see there is a group in WhatsApp as well. So WhatsApp is right now almost full. And if you are not able to join in WhatsApp, you can join in Telegram because both are same. So both link I have given in the description. So you can go to my description and you can join to this group. So these groups are absolutely free. In the same way, if anyone interested to open account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can open the account. So if you need any clarification or any support, you can contact me. So hope today's topic is very clear, and if you need any clarification related to this video, you can comment below this video. And in the same way, if you are satisfied with this video, you can like my video, and in the same way you can share to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.